Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse combo in a rather striking wine red. If you're someone who spends a significant portion of their day typing, you know the importance of ergonomics. This combo aims to address those needs with a focus on comfort and productivity. The first thing you'll notice is the full-size layout. It's not a compact, space-saving design, but rather one that prioritizes a complete set of keys, including a number pad. The key feature here is the curved and split keyframe. This design encourages a more natural wrist and forearm posture, which can significantly reduce strain during long typing sessions. It takes a little getting used to if you're coming from a traditional keyboard, but the potential benefits for your comfort are considerable. The keys themselves are scooped, which means they gently cradle your fingertips. This subtle design element contributes to a more accurate and comfortable typing experience. The keys offer a good response with each keystroke, providing tactile feedback without being overly noisy. It strikes a good balance for both office and home environments. ProtoArc has also included a wrist rest, which is a welcome addition. It provides support and cushioning for your wrists, further minimizing strain. The keyboard is designed to promote all-day comfort, and the wrist rest is a key component in achieving that goal. Connectivity is versatile, offering both Bluetooth and USB options. This allows you to connect to multiple devices, such as laptops and desktop computers, and switch between them seamlessly. The multi-device support is a great feature for those who work across different platforms or need to manage multiple devices simultaneously. Being a wireless combo, it's also rechargeable. This eliminates the need for constantly replacing batteries, which is both convenient and environmentally friendly. A single charge should provide a decent amount of usage time, depending on your typing habits. The wine red color is definitely eye-catching and adds a touch of personality to your workspace. It's a departure from the typical black or gray keyboards, and it can be a nice way to add some visual flair to your desk. In summary, the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse combo is a well-designed product that prioritizes comfort and productivity. The split keyframe, scoop keys, and wrist rest all contribute to a more natural and relaxed typing experience. The multi-device connectivity and rechargeable battery add to its convenience and versatility. If you're looking for an ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo that can help reduce strain and improve your typing experience, the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus is definitely worth considering. It might just be the upgrade your wrists have been waiting for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.